Like most moms, my days start early. Between making lunches, going to work, hitting the gym, and then helping the kids with their homework, my days are busy and it all starts to take a toll on my skin. I work in front of the camera 5 days a week and I worry about the future. I worry about wrinkles. Jennifer, what is happening to my skin as I age?
Tracy, as you age, there's a number of different factors that are taking place in your skin, and it's a result of both the environmental exposures that we have day to day and the changes in the deeper structures of our skin, loss of collagen, etc., that lead to wrinkles and loss of firmness with time. So in addition to adopting just a general healthy lifestyle, I want you to introduce a skincare regimen that's going to incorporate ways to both prevent some of those changes that we were talking about and also correct some of those long-term signs of aging.
I don't have a lot of time, so I've been looking for a fast and effective beauty and skincare regime. So I went to my neighborhood drugstore and the beauty advisor there recommended Lift Active Supreme from Vichy. Vichy works for me.